Hi my dear friends, my name is Abhishek and you are watching Maths channel on YouTube. Today we are going to discuss and solve about exercise number 1.6. Here in question number 1 they have told us to solve 64 raised to 1 by 2. We know that 64 is the square of 8, so 8 into 8 is 64 raised to 1 by 2. Exponent is 1 by 2. So 8 into 8 is 8 square. 8 square into 1 by 2. So 2 are cancelled in the exponent. So we are getting 8 raised to 1. That is 8 is the answer. Then the second question is 32 raised to 1 by 5. We know that 32 is the multiplication of 2 5 times. So 2 into 2 that is 4, 4 into 2 that is 8, 8 into 2 that is 16, 16 into 2 that is 32. So 2 times 5 times multiplication of 2 that is 32. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 whole bracket exponent 1 by 5. So 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 5. So 5 are cancelled. So we are getting 2 raised to 1. That is 2 as the answer. Here 125 raised to 1 by 3. Question number 3. We know that multiplication of 5 3 times that is 1 by 125. That is 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So 5 raised to 3 into 1 by 3. 3 are cancelled in the exponent. So we are getting 5 raised to 1. That is 5 as the answer. Question number 2. Find the first sub question is 9 raised to 3 by 2. We know that 9 is the square of 3. So 3 into 3 that is 9. 3 into 3 whole bracket 3 raised 3 by 2 exponent. So 3 square into 3 by 2. 2 are cancelled in the exponent. So we are getting 3 raised to 3 as the answer. So 3 raised to 3 is 3 multiplication of 3 times. That is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So 27 is our answer. Then the question number sub question 2 of question number 2. 32 raised to 2 by 5. 32 means 5 times multiplication of 2. 5 times multiplication of 2 whole bracket 2 by 5 exponent. So 2 raised to 5 into 2 by 5. 5 5 are cancelled. So we are getting 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 means 2 times multiplication of 2. 2 into 2 that is 4. 4 is our answer. And the question number 3, that is 16 raised to 3 by 4. We know that 16 is the multiplication of 2 4 times. 2 into 2 that is 4. 4 into 2 8 into 2 8 into 2 that is 16. So 4 times multiplication of 2 is the answer as 16. So 2 raised to 4 into 3 by 4. 2 raised to 4 into 3 by 4. 4 4 are cancelled in the exponent. So we are getting 2 raised to 3 that is 2 into 2 into 2. We have to multiply 2 3 times. That is answer as 8. Last question, that is 125 raised to minus 1 by 3. 125 is the multiplication of 5 3 times. That is 5 into 5 into 5 whole raised to minus 1 by 3. 5 raised to 3 into minus 1 by 3. That is 3 3 are cancelled in the exponent. So we are getting 5 raised to minus 1. To remove the minus sign from the exponent, we will put the whole value in the denominator. That is 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5 is the answer. Last question, question number 3 of exercise 1.6. Question number 1 is 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. Here base is same, exponent is different. So we have to add the exponent. So 2 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Here 5 is not present. So we will multiply with 5 in the numerator and denominator. Here 3 is not present in the denominator. To take the LCM, so we will multiply with 3 in the numerator and denominator. We will get 2 raised to 10 by 15 plus 3 by 15. So 10 plus 3 that is 13 upon 15. So 2 raised to 13 upon 15 is our answer. Second sub question in question number 3. 1 upon 3 cube whole bracket raised to 7. So 1 upon 7. This 7 exponent will be applied to the 1, and this 7 exponent will be applied to 3 raised to 3 also. So 3 raised to 3 whole bracket 7, that is 7 and 3 will be in multiplication. So 3 into 7 that is 21. So 1 upon 3 raised to 21. We can also write it as 3 raised to minus 21, because whenever we put minus sign, if we want to remove minus sign, we will put whole value in the denominator. So we can write 1 upon 3 raised to 21 as 3 raised to minus 21 also. Both answers are same. Question number 3 of sub question 3 of question number 3, that is 11 raised to 1 by 2 upon 11 raised to 1 by 4. So here base are same, exponent are different, so we have to subtract the exponent, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Taking LCM, we are getting here 4 is not present, so we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So 2 minus 1 upon 4, that is 1 by 4. 11 raised to 1 by 4 is our answer. Sub question 4 of question number 3. This is the last question of this chapter, that is 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. Here exponent are same, base are different, so we have to multiply the base keeping exponent is the same, that is 1 by 2. 7 into 8, that is 56 raised to 1 by 2. So this is the last question of exercise number 1.6 and chapter number 1 also. Then they have discussed some important formulas of this chapter. We have to remember for the lifetime, that is root AB is equal to root A into root B. Root A by B root A by B can be written as root A upon root B. Both can be written separately. Here also both can be written separately into multiplication, here in division. Then the third one is root A plus root B into root A minus root B, that is A minus B. Fourth one is A plus root B into A minus root B. The answer is A square minus B. And the last formula is root A plus root B whole square is equal to A plus 2 root AB plus B. Now for rationalization or rationalizing the denominator, they are telling that if to rationalize the denominator of 1 upon root A plus B, we have to multiply this term with the root A minus B or root A minus B numerator and denominator. Or to remove the root from the denominator, we have to multiply with the term which is in the denominator with the opposite sign. Here for plus sign is there, we have to multiply it with minus sign, where A and B are integers. Then the last formulas are A raised to P into A raised to Q. Here base are same, so we have to add the exponent, that is A raised to P plus Q. Here between P and Q bracket is there, so P and Q are in multiplication, so A raised to P into Q. Here third formula is A raised to P upon A raised to Q. Here base are same, exponent are different, so in the division we have to subtract the exponent, that is A raised to P minus Q. And the last formula A raised to P and B raised to P. Here exponent is same, so keeping exponent is the same, we have to multiply the base, that is A into B, that is AB raised to P. So thank you my dear friends. Here our chapter number 1 of 9th standard, that is number systems, are over. Thank you and have a nice day. Repeat all the questions 3 times so that you can have a great grip on all the questions. Thank you. Bye.